Hello friends and fellow Disney fans, welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. Today we are checking out a 2-bedroom villa at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort at Walt Disney World. And if you're trying to figure out whether this villa is worth it for your family trip, or if you are just curious what you actually get for the money, this video is for you. Let's take a look.
Okay, let's go check out the kitchen and the living room area. So right here is a full kitchen and it's stocked with everything you're gonna need, from, dishes to a dishwasher. You got a full fridge here, microwave, oven, everything you need. It even has dish soap and stuff, so you're good. Here's a little kitchen area. This is a nice little family room, but it actually sleeps 3 more people in this room. So you move over this. Oh, that chest is really heavy. And then pull it down, and it actually sits flush. There we go.
So but first let's take a look at the art that's above it. How adorable is that?
So nice. I love it.
I love that.
You have all the main characters. I'd be going, Jamie, you said it sleeps 3 people in here. There's 2, but where's the 3rd person?
Yeah, where is this?
Guess what? It's right here.
There's more.
Wow. So there's Goofy on a horse, super cute.
Oh, I love that art too. And of course you got your big flat screen TV.
Another thing I love, and you're not going to be able to see it very well because it is dark, we just checked in at night, but is this balcony. So you can have your morning coffee and enjoy this little patio area. And if you we wanted a ground level floor because we just like being able to walk out, but if you want a higher up one, you can actually get a real balcony like those ones. We're right above us.
Beautiful. Now I think we should go check out the master.
Yeah. One of my other favorite things when you get a 1 or 2 bedroom or even a 3 bedroom villa is that it's gonna have full laundry. So you don't have to pack as much because you can just do your laundry during vacation. Okay, so let's check out the primary bedroom now. Here it is, king size bed. Tons of storage, a huge amount. You got a nice little chair over here. Relax. That's the stuff.
Tons of space to put your luggage underneath.
So much.
And lots of storage.
The other thing I love about this is the ensuite. You can actually open it up, so if you want people from the kitchen using the bathroom, they can, or you can close it off so it's just for the primary bedroom people. And I really love that it has the standalone tub and then the separate shower. So let's check that out.
And here you've got the first part of the main bathroom. You've got the tub, beautiful vanity. Look at that. And then right attached from this bathroom, you actually go into the other half of the bathroom where you have a beautiful stand-up shower. Look at that. Right over to yet another vanity. Absolutely gorgeous.
Okay, so this is the 2nd bedroom. Right over here, we have a double vanity sink. It's huge, this is massive. You have a toilet and shower. This is a shower tub combo.
It's beautiful.
Love the tile.
Yeah, I was just about to say the tile's gorgeous in here.
So cute. And then a closet with tons of space. You can throw all your luggage in there from the trip. And over here, we have 2 queens. Love this.
Beautiful, perfect for kids, hey?
Right? Lots of storage underneath the bed. I love that about it.
Yes.
And I also really love the touches of Disney right on the wall here. And I really like too the flat screen TV and the vanity.
You know how much I love flat screen TVs.
Or I guess it's a dresser, not a vanity.
Beautiful.
But lots of space, tons of space in here.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.
You are interested in booking a Disney vacation. I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. My name is Jamie. You can find all my contact information in the description below. My email is jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or you can contact me through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.